Hello everyone, happy Lodi, aap sabko, and it's festival time. Also, there is a Makar Sankranti, always be known as this festival of flying kites. So that's why I decided to make the game based on kites. You can make this game for fun, and it's really good and interesting. So I'm just going to share my screen with you all, and here we will be making it together because I get some queries from the students that ma'am, the sprites you took, we actually didn't get from where you took them. So it's all right. You can make this game with me today. I'm just going to share my screen with you all. I hope my screen is visible for all of you. So you are going to open pictoblocks.ai, and because we are going to make a kite game based on Makar Sankranti, and this is a festival, and I'm just uh, first start making the design of sprite with kites because it's a kite based game. So of course, I will make the animation with the sprite. Okay, so here we go. I'm just uh, going with a new sprite and we'll do the paint section. Here I will take one simple square. I want to make very beautiful, colorful kites. So I'm just taking this one to make an outline. And I will divide this with this part. I'll take this to make some string. And this is my first kite design. I will select the arrow and I'm moving it like this way. Here, I can make some beautiful dots on it. So this is my first kite design. And also, I want that welcome to the Makar Sankranti festival. This will come initially, okay? Because I want that if somebody clicks on the kite, then something is going to happen, okay? So I'm going to write this thing over here. I will come over here, make again a paint section, and I will write happy Makar Sankranti, and here it should be like this, and I'll change it to this, and it should be kind of this way. And yeah, also the backdrop I'm going to take is a very basic blue color backdrop, a blue sky. And this seems to be very light, so I'm making it a little bit dark. A kind of blue? No. A kind of this shade? Nahi. A kind of this shade, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So this is happy Makar Sankranti, and this is a kite. Now what I want is that when green flag click, go to X and Y, and the kite will say. So I will take actually the say block without seconds. So the kite will say, please click on me to continue. Okay. And now when you click on this sprite, then it will switch to other backdrop. And here I will take some Jurassic kind of backdrop. Of course, we need to switch backdrop to blue sky first. And when it is going to click, the backdrop is going to switch as Jurassic. When I start, please click on me to continue. I also want to take some sound, so pop sound is fine for me. So when this sprite is clicked, pop sound will come, and this will be hide. Okay. Also, the same thing happens like when the backdrop comes as Jurassic, this should be hide. And when green flag clicked, I'm going to show this to the position. And start. Okay, so this will come over here. By the way, Jurassic थोड़ा सा मुझे वैसा लग रहा है, तो I can take something else as a backdrop. I will take Night City so that everyone is standing on the roof and flying kites. So I will take this one. Okay, so instead of Jurassic, I'll change it to Colorful City. And here also I will do Colorful City. Now it's time to introduce the sprites that's going to have the kites. So I will take this dancing sprite because it has different costumes and I want that she'll fly the kites with different movements. So I'm just going to make first a kite in the hand like this way. Suppose she's holding it. I will make one line of this color on the kite. So I'm just moving it a little bit up and just making one line over here. Then I will hold this brush and the size of the brush I'll make simple like this. And I will make very small dots on this. Very small dots. These dots are not visible, so I think I can make these dots. This should be outlined. Acha, okay. So I think for outline, I just need to do this. And it should be filled with black color so that it will look good and quite visible. Now, when she has this movement, so what I'm going to do, I'll do convert to this one. I'll just hold the arrow. Okay, I can't hold this one. Chalo, no problem. If I can, no. Okay, I will make another kite. So at this time, I want that she's holding with a string. So I'm just making a string coming over here. I'm taking a square. Suppose this is the kite. And this should fill with the color. No, but I will do convert to bitmap. Okay. So And this time I'm making some different color. She has a very colorful kite. So that's what I'm doing. I select the color and I'm just moving it inside like this way. And I'm making one outline for this beautiful kite. Okay, now what next is, we'll come over here. So this part we made, this one, yeah, as a kite. So if I'll hold this part, I think it will not come. No problem. So 1, 2, 3. So when she has this part, so she will make a string again. I'm just moving this to here. So she'll hold a string and this string will come from this part. So I'm just making it as black color and it should be very thin black color. It should go over here and even here as a string. Okay. And this should look very, very, very small. So I'm taking this color full and it should look very small, right? Yeah. And this string also, I'm just holding this string. So the string also should be uh, hmm, mm, mm, mm. Okay, I think that's fine. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and now this is 4. So I think in the 4th step, it's almost same. So I'm just deleting this movement. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'm just moving her this side and it will be 50. So this is 50. I'm just making it 70. But with 70, I want her to stand over here. Here, on the roof, on the roof, on the roof. चलो यहाँ पे खड़ा करते हैं इसको ऐसे. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. Actually, what I feel, key backdrop, I wish I will take this one. तो ये थोड़ा सा convenient लगेगा. 1, 2, and 3. And I will make some other kites also in the sky. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखूँ, it seems like this one. यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो ऐसे, but ये जो है kite shapes बहुत छोटा हो गया है of making my sprite smaller. तो इसको 100 ही कर देते हैं. It's fine. And if I go with the costume, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So what I'm going to do, she's going to start a kite flying game. So she will say, hey everyone, you need to catch the kites. If you have 5 kites in your bucket, it means you win the game and you have the fun. But she will say this thing while doing it. So what I'm going to do is, she will start forever changing the costume. She will show to the position. Next costume will be here with wait of at least, 0.3 seconds. I will take text to speech and set voice.
Hello.
This is absolutely fine. So I will take this. And he or she will say, hello. Please click on the space key to start the game, and you need to catch 5 kites for winning this game. And here for please, you write this. Okay. So if you do this,
Hello, please click on the space key to start the game and you need to catch 5 kites for winning this game.
oh, that's nice. And even this kite, I will show on the blue sky only, I guess. So what I will do is key, I'm not going to hide it with the this one. Okay. I will take only one backdrop because this looks good. And please click on to continue pop and colorful city. So I need to show this one. And instead of space key, she can say, please click on the big guide to start the game. Okay. Now if I start,
Hello, please click on the big kite to start the game and you need to catch 5 kites for winning this game.
ooh. So when this happens, what I want is that she will continue this thing. When this happens, it will convert to this colorful city. So when backdrop switch to colorful city, then this will hide. She will continue doing this. I will take other sprite to catch this thing, but actually when, yeah, okay. I will take other sprite to catch. So which one? I'll take Amon to catch the kites. Actually, I'm taking different sprites, and these sprites looks too funny and good. So this is my sprite who's going to catch the kites, okay? And now I'm going to do like when the backdrop switch to the colorful city and when green flag click. So when green flag click, I just want to hide the sprite. I will show to the position, and I will take forever and if conditional statement. And here if key pressed, I will take. So if right arrow key press, then change X by 10. And it will also do next costume. So when I do right arrow key press, oh, it has only one costume. That means that's okay, no problem then. I'm not going to change the costume. And when left arrow key press, I will just go to control and I'll take another if and then. And here I will take key press block. So when left arrow key press, then change x by -10 it will be. And what I want is I will make one kite sprite. Suppose this one. So I will take this kite only. And I'll do like when the backdrop switch to the colorful city, I will set size 100%, but here when it happens, the size will be 20%. Let's see. And I need to show. Okay. So kite is here and 20% is very less. I'll make it 50 and let's see. Yeah, this is fine. What I want, I will give it a position, go to X and Y. And for the X, I want that it should come randomly every time. Okay, so every time it should come randomly. So I'm just taking this one to the random number, like pick random number. This is -214. And now if I move it to this side, wait, एक minute. I'm just इसको हटा देते हैं for a while. I want to show. So if I move it to this side, it will be 187. So I'm just doing 187 and coming over here. So every time it should be like this. ठीक है? And y जो है वो आपका same रहेगा. What next is that I will take forever it's going to come down. So I will take change y by 10. Let me check. If you are taking +10, it should go up. So it will be -10 for coming down. But at certain limit, it should go up again. So when it is touching to this position, it should go up. Okay. So if, and then conditional statement I will take again. If something is greater than. So I'll take this. If y position is greater than the number, so the number is -96. So I'm taking 1 -140. Okay. If this happens, I'll just take this block and I'll do duplicate of it and I'm just joining it inside. So every time when this happens, it should come to the random place like this way. Okay, and this guy has to catch the kite. Okay, now if the kite touching with the person, this is M1. So if it is touching, then he will get the score. So I will make one variable, a score, and this score is 0 right now initially. So set my variable, I'll just move it to when green flag, like, okay. So set my variable means the score to 0 initially, and I'm taking again a condition if touching this is M1. M1 तो वो खुद है, तो this is a sprite 1. The kite is a sprite 1. ठीक है? You can rename it over here. So if it is touching a kite, then what happens? The kite will hide and the score will change. So change my variable by 1, change score by 1, and kite should go over there. But ye command, I'm just moving it to the kite sprite. I'm just copying it and deleting it from here. So this command will come on this. I'm just putting it over here. So if this is touching M1, it will be like this, and again the kite will come. So I'm just duplicating this block. Again the kite will come from that point. It's done. Let's see. If I start,
Hello, please click on the big kite to start the game and you need to catch 5 kites for winning this game.
let's start. Oh my God, come on. Choose score 3, 4, and 5 and 6. Okay. So actually what happens is कि इसके बाद वो continuously, please click on me to continue. It's in continuation. That's what I do want. So what you will do? You go to look, take a simple say block. यहाँ पे आपको लगा देना है, make it blank and do it for 0.3 seconds. It will gone automatically when the kite will switch to colorful city. अभी -10 जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा है, तो I'm just making it -5 to coming down so that it will take small steps. And the size of the kite is 50%. I'll make it to 30% क्योंकि 50% is again बहुत ज्यादा लग रहा है. If I start,
Hello, please click on the big
I
kite to
click
start the game and you need to catch 5 kites for winning this game.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So I got 5 kites. And if I got 5 kites, if my score is equals to 5, that's what I'm going to write. So if is equals to block, the score is 5, then stop all, and I will make one music. So I will take a music again. But how can I take the music? Okay, that's fine. The rest part you will do by yourself. I want to add the timer to more things. Even this is more like if you have done Catch the Apple game. So the concept is based on that, and I really want your creation in this game. That's why I'm making it like this only. Okay, let me run it.
Hello, please click on the big kite to start the game and you need to catch 5 kites for winning this game.
I click on it. I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, and okay. I have 4 and 5. Yay. So with 5, everything will stop. Now I want at the end, it will say, yoo-hoo, you catch your kite, now you can fly, and happy Makar Sankranti. This is what I want, and please do it. And I also want when this kite is touching the man, then some sound will come, or during the game the sound will come, because without sound everything is incomplete, as you all know. So everyone, celebrate the Lori today, and we'll celebrate Makar Sankranti on Sunday or Monday. I don't know when it is. So it's of 2 days. So happy Lori once again, and we'll meet you in the next session. Bye bye.